a cool girl, I'm a cool girl. Ice cold, I roll my eyes at you, boy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be in collaboration with Ipsy for their July Ipsy Glam Bag. I am bringing you this look with a bunch of products from makeup all the way down to skincare, because you guys know skincare is my #1 thing in order to make your makeup look bomb. Like, as a lot of you guys always ask me what my #1 tip is, and it's definitely taking care of your skin before you do your makeup. So like I said, I'm bringing you this look with a few products from this month's Ipsy Glam Bag. I hope that you guys enjoy, and if you want to learn how to get this super fresh pink look, then just keep on watching. So this is this month's Ipsy July Glam Bag. It's super cute. The first thing that I'm pulling out is this liquid face and body wash, and it is a gentle cleanser that's free of soap and alkali, which deep cleans my pores, and I loved the way this left my skin feeling. The next thing I'm pulling out from the Glam Bag is this acne spot treatment. It does not dry out the skin, which is great. I'm actually going to be wearing it underneath my makeup, just applying it in some acne spots that I already have to heal and prevent future acne. Now I'm just going in with some primer and then some foundation, and then going to move on to some concealer. Just going to move on to setting my face really quickly everywhere that I concealed, and just to set all my foundation. Moving on to contouring the face, I'm using this Luscious Cosmetics Face Contour. It's a very pigmented contour and highlight duo that flatters all skin types. I kid you not, it looks so beautiful on the skin. For blush, I'm actually using this pressed eyeshadow that came in the Glam Bag. It's a creamy consistency, it's super easy to blend, and that's why I decided to use it on my cheeks and the tip of my nose. Dipping back into that contour and highlight duo, I'm now taking the highlight part, and it is so creamy, so blendable, and such a beautiful soft highlight. I'm putting it all over the high points of my face. I'm now just going to be taking a shadow to deepen up my crease and give it a little bit more of a color before we put on the actual lid shade. And for the lid shade, I'm actually going to be using the pressed pigment again, but I'm actually going to be using my finger to give it more of a beautiful sheen to it. You could use this shadow wet or dry. I'm now just going to set my brows with some brow gel and move on to applying some lashes off camera and adding some mascara. Taking that same highlight, I'm just going to place that in the inner corners of my eyes to brighten it up a little. Moving on to lipstick, I'm taking this REALHER Moisturizing lipstick. It's enriched with shea butter, jojoba seed oil, aloe vera, and vitamin E. It's moisturizing, lightweight, vegan, and cruelty-free. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!